boys and girls, welcome back to another video. I am Crypto Maximalist. Please do drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Before we begin, I want to let you know that I've partnered this month with Bank, who are offering an incredible 50% cashback on deposit, which as you can see is absolutely insane. There's another bonus for trading as well, so make sure to get involved in the description below. Make sure to take advantage along with all of our other exchange partnerships. The next thing I'd like to talk about is Sapphire Studios token, otherwise known as SST. SST is in pre-sale with 100x potential because it will be the core coin in not just one game, but in lots of games. And not just any games, the most sophisticated games you can make on mobile, called real-time strategy MMOs. Mobile real-time strategy MMOs are a massive real-time multiplayer games that can have tens of thousands of players per server, with gameplay happening 24/7. The sophistication makes other Web3 games like Axes look like kids' games. Sapphire Studios is going for mass adoption on a large scale by competing directly with the biggest mobile titles like Clash of Clans, Game of War, Forge of Empires and Rise of Kingdoms. Why buy SST right now? It's got true potential for mass adoption, and at under 10 million market cap at pre-sale, with one of its MMO games, Gold Inc, is already live, it has a real shot at beating out simple games like Axes that have a $1 billion market cap. Currently you can use the link in the description below to get 30% off more SST today. So just taking a quick look at Vechain then on our daily time frame here, as we can see, looking like basically we are retracing in line with the rest of the market. You can see Bitcoin on the daily time frame is consolidating. It swept the low, it swept the high of this range, and now probably going to come back down towards this 100k area if I had to guess. You can see getting a pretty bearish reaction from hitting this all-time high up here at 125k. Now selling off, I think back down towards this 100k area would be a likely scenario. This would coincide with a lot of factors that I've been looking at. Let me just I'm going to extend this Fibonacci out because as you can see it's a bit too small these days. We have moved on so much from before. Pretty clear and obvious trend line support. But anyway, you can see here, let me just get rid of this. You can see here we've got a few factors that we need to consider. We've obviously got this previous range here, which we came back up inside and then broke through. We could obviously come at the very least and backtest fully into this previous area of consolidation that we were in. You can see we were kind of in this little channel like this. We could definitely come down and backtest this at around 110, 105k. Obviously there's this previous trendline resistance as support and this 127 Fibonacci extension down here towards 100k as well that we could all backtest into and continue. You can see Bitcoin on the whole way up of this cycle. We have these pumps and retracements, pumps, retracements, pumps, retracements, pump, long consolidation, retracement, big pump, big retracement, pump, and now I'm probably just going to be looking for another retracement. I think back towards that 100k area is very, very likely. Obviously, if that's the case, we will see Vechain getting smashed down as well. As you can see here, Vechain basically just looking a little bit sad at the minute. A lot of altcoins doing a similar thing where they're basically going sideways, trying to figure out what the hell's going on. And you can see quite clearly here for Vechain, for me, that we're basically in a position where we were looking like we were getting this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves to the upside to back towards the all-time high for this cycle. Then obviously we've got the Trump pump and then the tariff dump. And since the tariff dump, lots of altcoins have been in a range like this trying to figure out what's the next move. Vechain here, no exception, just retracing in line with Bitcoin today. If Bitcoin continues to retrace, then obviously the rest of the market will do so as well. If Bitcoin starts to chop sideways for a month or so, which is what we really need, then we could see our altcoins starting to pick up, but right now, nothing to report today. Thanks a lot for watching again, guys, for another video. Make sure to go down below and sign up for Bank to get your 50% cashback bonus and get involved with all of our other partnerships offering bonuses as well. Thanks for watching.